Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this brushed nickel toilet paper holder. So this is made by GYPIE, GYPIE. So I like that it has a little shelf. It was super easy to install. Here's a full-size toilet paper on here. Again, it just takes a couple screws. I could have used 3, but I just used 2. And again, it's very solid and sturdy. That's the only assembly I had to do. Okay, so left to right, 6 3/4, sticks out from the wall about 4 inches. Height, you're looking at about, 5. But let's put the toilet paper back on. I mean, it looks like you're gonna need about about 6 1/2, almost 7 inches. But again, got lots of room for the toilet paper, 5 inches, 2 inches to the toilet paper. So it just looks really nice. I like that it has a nice little shelf. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.